Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Instead of wasting our strength, effort, and time in doing a job individually, if a group of people plan and work, they can complete the task faster and better. One day all the parts of the body were arguing as to who was the most important and greatest of them all. Each part of the body felt that it was indispensable and made fun of the others. The hand felt that it did all the hard work and so it was very important to man. The leg felt that man could only move because of it and hence it was very crucial for his existence. The teeth claimed that it chewed all the food and helped man to live a healthy life. Every part of the body thus went on and on claiming that each one was more important than the other. It led to a big argument and all the parts decided to go on strike. "I won't carry a thing," said the hand. "I won't walk any further," said the leg. The teeth stopped chewing food and the mouth refused to take in food or water. With the result that the body became very weak in just a couple of days. Since the stomach stopped receiving any food, it could not energize the other parts of the body and there was no proper blood flow in the body. The body was nearing a state of collapse. It was then that all the parts of the body realized how stupid they had been. They understood that they were not really important as individual parts and had to function cohesively to maintain a healthy body. They decided that henceforth they would all work together as one healthy body and stop fighting among them. They realized that each one was important in their own way and unity always resulted in strength. Thereafter all the parts of the body did their respective works regularly. This resulted in better coordination. Soon the body recovered from its weakness and became active as it was once few days back.